Good day everyone. Today I played the best tournament of my life. I played in the third community 3-0 Thursday untitled. Now I'm gonna show you my best games and I'm gonna update you what is my final score and what's my rank. Let's go. E4, E5, knight of 3, knight C6. Opponent is 15 53 is my best games in this tournament. Bishop B5, Berlin. Queen E2, we have D6. Queen E2 is like some line, I don't know, suppose. Queen D6, let's play D6. C3, Bishop G4. Then Queen E3 for my opponent. I did Bishop E7, takes, and then knight G1, and I already know that's bad. Now play D5, but now a mistake for my opponent, which is D3. So I can simply take. Then he takes just yeah. Then movement. Now in the second game, my game against Artem Ka. I'm with my pieces 1782 versus 1600. E4, C5, C3, D5, takes, D4. I forgot already that one. D4, knight of 6, king A5 is good for specific mistake. I want to try some openings. And then bishop E5 is wonder takes. And then that's not a mistake. Just play this. What's the best move actually? Mistake. We did take. Bishop takes. Knight takes. It's already messy, but I bundled with queen takes d5 because first queen takes d2 just blunders the game. But luckily my opponent didn't found it and plays queen takes d4. Takes. Now I'm slightly worse. It's the worst that I can get. Wait lang. Out of 3, knight b6, castle, e6, bishop e3. Slightly worse, knight b5. Actually, the best move here is rook c1. Not rook c1. This 3. Actually having a fever right now. Rook c1, king b8, knight b4, knight b5, takes, then bishop e7. Mistake open knight e5. f6 is smothered. d5. Let's see 3, which is actually a mistake. Now we can play. Look of it. Yeah, now takes. There's no more escape square. But luckily he plays rook h5 and just gives up a free rook. 2 times in this game where he told it 1. Knight b5 it checks. Right there. Yeah, just sack there. King there. Put there. There. Bishop d6. Spin that there. G6. Takes. Then king e2. Now let's try to maneuver. G6. Rook f5. Knight d5. So h4, h5. There's maneuvering going on here. There's no problem. But then I blundered with g5, but still winning. Some takes here. Then still winning. So here, speaking there, here. Yeah, just gonna push. Just want to make this simple. I didn't actually bundle that. I know that's just still waiting. I did that. Here, check. Okay, there. Yeah, it's a matter of time to win. Look, d8. You should play this, but still this. Still winning. Anyways, takes. Continue to happen again. Free rock, come on, we still left the round here against Cominito, whatever. E4, D6 is the last game. D4, G6, knight of 3, bishop E3, 163,
Performance tax
1,063.
mo yun.
Still probably still fine.
Kulangan pa.
But I made a mistake here. No, slightly worse. But it's fine. B5, E4 from E4 for myself. With B6 takes. I just keep making mistakes. A3, B7, right there. Yeah, just it checks. Knight X. Let's go for this thing.
Walang tanang isang mo.
Actually, 95 is the best move, really. Really, 95? 95 is the best move. Wow.
Sabi nga sila ni Ma'am Banida ang mga task importante sa kanila.
Thanks. Very. Thanks for a couple more moves. And a 4 just. So this immediately is just 4. Then he didn't find it, like it was 7. There. Check, and there. Still fighting for the win because he's didn't run out of time. H5, H4, just desperate here. So desperate. But then, just managed to draw. I don't know why. And now we're better. Yeah, now we're winning. Yeah. Now I finished these 3 best games. So I'm gonna show you what plays I got. And I'm this. I'm this guy. Then 6 points.
Kung pinicturean mo kanina,
6 points.
ako nandun si Ma'am Marite.
6 points out of 11. So yes, I've finished 15th place here. That's the best tournament so far. Yeah, so gonna be more. I'll probably gonna improve.